What's up, my beautiful Congolese people? My name is Rachel. I'm the Minister of Truth, Ministre de la Vérité. Let me tell you about this beautiful country called Congo. Congo is a very beautiful country. And no matter how much negative things you might hear about the Congo, you have to understand this country has went through so much. This country has been going through a lot. There has been a lot of corruption in this country. So when the world show Congo, they don't show you every part of Congo. They only show you the Congo that's dealing with war. They show you the Congo that's dealing with poverty. They show you the Congo that when you look at it, you're like, I don't want to go visit. But if you go to the east of Congo, not where there is war, the Virunga Park is a very beautiful place to go visit. Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm your presenter. The thing about Congo is that when all the Congolese people will snap out of their sleep and wake up and see the beauty of this country or the potential of what Congo can become, Congo will change. The moment we still have this mentality of we are victims and we don't have the mentality of we could do better now, is the problem that's destroying Congo. Is because us as Congolese people often speak negatively about our country. Instead of speaking positive words, instead of dreaming and giving out ideas on how we can move Congo forward or how we could change Congo, we often focus on the negative aspect of Congo. This video today is to encourage each and every one of us to learn how to speak positive about our country, to learn how to say positive things about Congo, to learn how to look at Congo as a country that needs to be rebuilt, a country that needs love, a country that needs compassion, a country that needs prayer, a country that needs to learn that tribalism is not going to help us go anywhere. But tribalism amongst ourselves, amongst our tribes, it's what's going to continue to make Congo stay in division and make Congolese people hate one another. When you deal with tribalism, you're so busy fighting with one another that you don't realize that when you work together as one, you could accomplish so much, and Congo could change. Congo could become better. The moment we focus on us being together, the moment we focus on love, the moment we focus on compassion, the moment we focus on building this country, the moment we focus on building one another instead of tearing one another down, the moment we learn how to forgive and let go of the past. The thing about the past is there's nothing we can do to go back to the past and fix whatever was done. Instead of us keep talking about Congo is really this and Congo is really that, we need to focus on what's going on right now. What can we do now to move Congo forward? What can we do now to change our country? What can we do now to educate the population? What can we do now to make each and every one of us to understand that working together is the only way that we can succeed as Congolese people? Congo is a beautiful country. Congo has so many beautiful places that people can visit, but we focus so much on the negative that we often forget that Congo is a beautiful country. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.